Man, the oulage on this thing is a little rough. And a broken capsule. So we're about to find out. 1961 Mouton. We are about to find out. The thing about this is the capsule's broken already. So it looks like there's seepage. My knife can go inside of this, so that's a tough part. Now obviously if this is incredible, I'll be happy. Do I think it's going to be incredible with the capsule broken? I just don't know. Let's hope for the best. This bottle, we'll find out. I don't know. The capsule was broken. The oulage is really low.
61, okay.
But we got it from the Rio. So I said, look, let me see if I can open it. I'll give him a discount. Mm-hmm. So I want to see what he thinks. He was going to change his mind. I said, look, we have it. If it's bad, I want it off the menu. If it's good, I want you to drink it. So let's see, right? So we're going to open it. I'm going to find out. And he was okay with that. And then, to be honest, if it's good, I'll give him a little discount because obviously if there's leakage. It's here. Yeah, that's pretty big. Yeah, so we'll kind of see how it goes.
Okay.
Oh, the capsule is hard. Okay, it's hard. That's a good thing. Oh, look. It just cracked. The top of this cork literally just cracked almost in half. That's crazy. Ooh, okay. All right. Not bad. Zach, are you okay on pairings right now? I appreciate it. Thank you. The cork actually is coming out. I am like shocked, just to be honest with you. Wow. I mean, completely saturated, but like, it is out, dude. I'm hoping this is fantastic. Obviously. Ugh. Okay. So I am happy. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Good color.
Color is good.
Really good color.
Yeah.
Beautiful nose. Beautiful nose. Okay, just fantastic. It is fantastic.
Just by the color, I'm like, oh.
Whoa. Fantastic.
Looking good.
Oh my goodness. Incredible.